Hey guys! I'm here with my husband,
Benji.
and today we're gonna be doing the yoga challenge! Oh, are you excited for this?
I'm really excited.
So we have a special guest tuning in later, and she's gonna help us with some of the poses.
And she's going to be vlogging us because today we're also testing out a few products, including the ATC Re, which she'll be vlogging with.
Yes, and we're also wearing our Garmin Vivo Smart Bands.
Activity tracker, you know, make sure we're getting enough exercise in.
And stay tuned till the very end to find out how you can win your very own pair of these awesome gadgets. So, let's get started.
Yeah! First one. Oh, that's a good one.
Alright. We're like butt to butt.
Yeah, no,
but
but
no,
not
you still. No, but you need to step away.
Yeah, look.
That's a good stretch. Alright, that felt pretty good. On to the next. Oh my god.
Which one do you want to be?
I think I should be on top. It only makes sense.
Yeah, I like it when you're on top.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, you go right there, because I need the weight. Okay, you ready?
Wait, Daisy. It's called tree pose. This one looks fairly easy.
Okay.
Hold it. Good form.
That one looks, it looks like you have to be really comfortable.
Those people look like they have no booty.
Okay, Juliana, hi.
Alright, you want to come in here?
Give Daddy a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Hi.
Give mommy a kiss.
I love you. Where's your feet?
You're like a swan. You're like a beautiful swan. Straighten your body out.
Okay, Sean.
Yeah, get
I
her.
think we're good.
Alright.
Alright.
Next pose.
Go.
Huh?
Stop it!
Oh, good one. High five. You're gonna go up, okay?
No, crazy. That's crazy.
Whoa! That is so cool!
Yeah, okay.
So family pose.
Oh my gosh, that was insane.
That was fun.
There were so many parts during the challenge that I thought I was gonna faint, or, I mean, did you feel all the blood rushing to your head?
Yeah, well, I was usually on the bottom, so I also felt all the weight, you know, of you and Juliana and stuff.
What were you trying to?
I'm not saying anything. Can you delete that, Sean?
Alright, so I burned 903 calories. How about you?
1,200. How many miles did you go?
Oh, only half a mile.
Only half a mile. Well, you need to catch up, girl.
No, seriously, it was such a fun
fun
challenge, and I love how our heart was racing, and it was a good physical activity.
Yeah, it was a fun
and to
challenge.
include Juliana was really fun.
Yeah, I like that we got a workout
Yeah.
and we got to make a YouTube video out of it. And I just can't wait to see all of Juliana's vlog footage
I know,
with this.
it was so cute. She was having so much fun.
We want to thank Verizon Wireless for giving us the products today to try out during this yoga video. We love the fact that we get to work with you for this project. And this is the ATC Re camera. What I love about it is it connects to your phone and there's no screen because your screen is actually the monitor. So that's what you look at. It's waterproof. I like how easy it is to use. And obviously, like for someone like Juliana, it's pretty durable. So, you know, we're not afraid of her carrying it around and dropping it or whatever.
And we're also wearing the Garmin Vivo Smart, and this is awesome. Well, first of all, it's sleek, it's black, and for someone that doesn't wear a lot of jewelry, and also for Benji, it just kind of goes with your outfit. So this one also hooks up to your smartphone, and I love it. This is actually perfect for me because I'm a busy mom, and I probably 90% of the time don't have my phone on me. So while we were doing the challenge, and even while we were getting ready for breakfast, this would start buzzing, and I'm like, what is that? And it was a text message and a phone call, and the phone number and text shows up right on your wristband. So that was really awesome.
And then obviously it tracks all your movements.
Yes.
You know, it tells you how many calories you burn. I especially like this for running. So that's really cool. Anyway, so we want to thank Verizon Wireless. Go check these products out if you guys want them.
Oh, speaking of wanting them, we're also doing a giveaway on Facebook. So we'll have all the details down below, but pretty much you just go to our Facebook page, It's Judy Time. You see this photo of us wearing these awesome wristbands and also your camera.
Yeah. This camera right here.
Just click on the picture or video and then comment below in that post. And then we'll be choosing a random winner. So you could win a set of these yourselves. So thank you, Sam and Nia, for challenging us in this yoga challenge, and also Verizon for hooking it up with these awesome equipment. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, thank you, Juliana.
Use your hands.
Ow!
That's kind of small.
John, be ready to catch her! Oh my god!
You need a roar.
Roar!
Roar! Go! Alright, well, have a second. Say hi, Juliana.
I don't know. Maybe I'm finished.
We're finished?
Yeah.
Thank you! Oh yeah. Oh, maybe if I get this angle. Hi! Whoa! Very good! You know, this is actually a great way for me to touch up my makeup. Look how close you could get. You can like see my pupils and my tiny lashes. I should have worn more mascara today. And I should have put a primer because you can see my pores. Selfie! I'm gonna take a picture!
Yoga challenge!
Woo!
Juliana.
No more, mommy.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlogs today. So I thought I'd do an introduction for today's video. I wanted to do a little bit of just calming yoga and stretching. Not a workout per se, just a little something that you can do. Standing yoga, you can do it without a mat, you can do it without any equipment, you can do it with shoes on, without shoes on. Just something that will work for you. And I thought I'd just shoot at this fun beach spot that I really love, that I find incredibly calming. And I think that kind of every parent benefits from having a calming place to go, whether that's physical or mental. And I thought this would be helpful. So check it out with me. so much for watching. Hey, give it a thumbs up if you love these videos as much as I do. Until next time, I will see you on my Patreon page. Feel free to check out the books that I've written in the links in the description box. And I'll see you around on Instagram as well. Thank y'all so much for being part of this kind of just calming idea as part of the parenting topics here on the Wholesome feed. I like to also do, some of the workout and then some things that just relax you, because I think that's a huge part of gentle parenting, is finding your way to be a relaxed parent as well. So until next time, thank you all so much, and hey, follow along here on the Wholesome feed for more videos. I'm trying to post 2 times a week. We'll see how I go about that. Thank you all so much.
Thank you.